going on, everyone? Weston here. Got my friend Mike here.
Hey.
And we just bombardired over
I didn't
here.
realize I was being videotaped.
Yeah, we decided we're going to record this because no one knows how to do it. We have his 2013 Scion FRS. We just drove like maniacs over here and got super hot. We're going to go ahead and do the spark plugs, and we have never done them before, and we're going to show you guys how to do it too. So let's get to it. So the time is 7:51. What we're going to do is we're going to put it up, unbolt the motor mounts. We're going to jack up the header on one side, do 2 spark plugs, and jack up the other side, do those 2 spark plugs, and that's our game plan. So
Let's see how it turns out.
don't mind the fact we're using a lift. You don't need a lift. You can just put it on jack stands. We're real lazy around here, though, so let's get to it.
Oh, yeah, that's helping. There we go.
So I got sidetracked from the FRS, trying to install this badge on this car right now. So our time's all screwed up thanks to Ashley. Right? Screwing up our time. We were timing ourselves. 44. Look at that. I managed to get a 350Z badge on. I don't even know what time we started. I feel like I've been working on putting this badge on for way too long. So we got the belly pan down. And then you got to take these 2 14mm bolts loose right by the oil pan for the motor mounts to come out. And then you can just jack it up on the header section right there and right there. Also taking out this bolt and this bolt on the transmission mount. Yeah.
Like curved.
Here we go. I think that's enough. Oh, dude, you can get to it so easy now. So are you glad that you beat the crap out of the car on the way down here?
I'm immensely glad because it's now burning me.
Nice and hot for you?
It's great. These are really easy to get to though once you
Yeah, like
jack that up.
you go from can't even see it, like can't even fit my finger between here, to can fit your whole arm.
Yeah, if you
in it.
got a short well, you can get right in there.
Note, in the 759 years I've been working on cars, the smallest I've ever seen
Weston's 800
is a 5/8 socket. That's the smallest spark plug. It's too big. Deep well 14 fits right on there. This is really hard with one hand. But deep well 14 is what you got to use, just so you know. How's it going down there?
It's going fantastic. Gotta be honest with you. Now that we have the right size socket,
Yeah, that's all you need. The right size socket helps.
Doing nicely.
Sounds like a mouse.
I had a mouse live in here before. I caught him while he was building his nest though. Oh, right down in here. On the flat part of the box. I guess he thought it was nice and warm.
Nice little home.
Right down in there, he decided he was going to start stashing popcorn. And I was like, there shouldn't be popcorn in here. And then we spied him, this little rat named Gerald, this little bastard.
You
Came
named him.
underneath the car and we watched him climb up into the shield. It was great.
My favorite part is you named him Gerald.
We did because we were keeping an eye on him for a while, and then he took up residence in my car, so we needed to. We didn't kill him. We didn't exterminate him or anything crazy. I just kicked him out of my car.
Rehomed him. Focus. 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 There it is. How many miles are on these?
What?
How many miles are on these?
Too many.
I think the dumbest thing ever is that it has
80,000 and some change.
3 straps. There's no need for 3 straps.
The new one.
New one? Old one. There's no need for that.
If
Cause,
anybody wants to know the part number, it is ZXE27HBR8.
and you go to
For those that
Subaru?
don't know.
Or
Do not go to Subaru because they're going to triple charge you.
so go
Or
to
at least-
Toyota.
At least my Subaru dealer did.
Pro tip, don't drop your new spark plugs.
No. It's under the jack.
The car is on a lift. We could lift the car.
My watch is now stuck in between the jack and this is really bad.
Noted. The car's on a lift. We could just lift it. Did you get it?
Did I fuck it up?
No.
No, we didn't. We're good.
So we got both the plugs in. Got the coils packs bolted in. Coil packs have one 10mm bolt on them, and you can just pull them straight out. Step 2, drop your car. Now we're gonna jack up the other side and do the exact same thing over here.
But it just says coconut with big lips.
I'm always so attracted to like the fancy can. This is the limited edition white can.
It's pretty.
Harness is just moving around over here.
I knocked the hood down on my head.
Don't do that. Is there more room on this side or less room on this side?
I would say that there's probably more room on the other side.
That fuse box is in the way, isn't it?
I mean, no. This is not so bad.
Not so bad.
This is not so bad. This is a lot better than I thought it was going to be.
You having a fun time?
Yeah. Having a great time. Pro tip, don't leave the ratchet attached.
Crack it loose and use your
Do
hand.
it by hand.
So as Mike stated, what we have to use to get the spark plugs in all the way is...
My good pal Weston over here came up with a brilliant idea to go from 1/2 inch down.
3/8.
Buys you just enough space to get the ratchet out into the open.
And then what is that, a 3-inch extension? It'll say on it.
Should be.
3/8. I'm going to assume it's 3/8 or 3-inch extension and then a deep well socket.
Yeah, it's
And then that is exactly how much room you need, or you need an assortment of extensions to get that out. Mike
We
Jones,
are about done.
the Mike Jones, as he asked, what is the torque spec?
Nice, man.
It is 12.5 foot-pounds. In case you
Look
got,
that up.
yeah, I did look it up. In case you got bulging veins and arms like this guy, and you're just gonna muscle it
You're a
on,
massive.
don't do that. 12.5 foot-pounds. That's what you do.
Did you check these?
Yeah, I checked them. They're good. So I stepped out to talk about radios real quick. And Mike, I guess, decided to take the jack out. And I guess he's done with this side. I don't know where he went. He's gone now. So now we're going to put the motor mount bolts back in, the transmission bolts back in, and then we are going to put the belly pan back in. And we'll be done. Actually, you want to start it up real quick? Let's start it first, in case it has a misfire for whatever dumb reason.
I'm like a surgeon.
Surgeon.
Yeah, I'll start it as soon as I know.
Start it. Make sure it doesn't misfire before we put all the bolts back in. Just so we don't have to take them back out again in case it is.
What are those?
Remember your transmission. I said we're going to put them on the rack arm so we don't forget them. Here we... Here we go. There it is, the Subaru Rumble. The Subaru Rumble. You don't even know how to work my rack.
I don't.
It's the button. Pro tip number 72. Get an office chair so you can just wheel your way under the car.
You're having a lot of fun.
Oh, we're getting sketchy. Oh, I hit something. Pro tip. Don't jack up your car
What's this?
on your oil pan like some people whenever they're doing a tranny job. Look at that dent. Ugh.
I should replace it though.
I'm like the perfect height in this office chair and you're just all hunched over.
How did you get this? Oh, that's what you needed the wrench for. I understand.
Yeah, that's why I needed a wrench.
I understand now.
So you use a wrench on this side because the exhaust's in the way. And you can use anything you want on this side. Do it again, one more time. One more time for the vlog.
Doing that very well.
What?
I feel like you're not doing that
Come on.
She jinxed me.
It worked twice off camera. Too much pressure. All right, done messing around. We gotta get back to business. Oh. Ooh, I almost hit my head.
Got some more wrenching to do.
We got bolts.
Got the transmission now nice and tight, except for I didn't get that wrench for you, so the other side's loose. That would be
No,
bad.
it's tight.
Did you tighten it?
You tightened it.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did. I handed you the wrench.
Did I tighten it?
It's on video.
It'll be.
Let the video proclaim.
Now I remember doing it. Yes.
Yeah, it's on video
Always better.
to double check.
Safe.
So Mike over there is officially tightening the last bolt and is putting all the sockets away.
King spinner.
And it is 10:06 p.m. And I'm pretty sure we spent more time putting the 350Z badge on and at least twice as much time BSing around as it did to do this job. I'd say it only took an honest 45 minutes of working.
Yeah.
Like if you're doing it like to get it done and you aren't messing around, you could do it in 45 minutes.
Yeah, you could do it pretty efficiently.
So there you go. They put spark plugs in an FRS or whatever god-awful boxer car you have. Sorry, I hate
BRZ.
flat motors. All right, guys, until next time. Peace out.